Hey, thanks for dropping by. Nice to see you. On a walk this morning, I reflected on how this lockdown has made me deeply miss everyday human touch. Handshakes, hugs, a hand on someone's arm or theirs on mine to reassure, all missing. But as I walked along, I found I could make up for a tiny bit of this in a way that was also a kind of instant mindfulness. And I'd love you to try it on yourself right now. Let me show you. Simply take the thumbs of both hands, then move them incredibly lightly back and forth over your fingertips. Do it really gently. Imagine you're touching the face of a sleeping baby. You don't want to wake. As you do this, feel the sensation in your fingers and your thumbs as you very gently and very slowly move them back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Try hard to place all your attention on how this feels. It'll be easier once I stop talking. And keep it going for as long as you like, and feel your breathing slow down as you do it. If it helps, imagine your fingers are being brushed by someone else's thumb, or that your thumb is gently making contact with someone else's fingers. You can use this little self-soothing technique whenever you like, especially when you feel anxious or stressed. If you found this idea helpful, please hit the like button to let me know. And let's talk a little more about connecting with other people next time. So if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe here on YouTube.